Hi, it's Andrea with OctoClean Media, and we're here at ISSA Show North America 2024. Let's go check it out. So one of the best things about ISSA is the networking. You can actually meet with the vendors themselves, talk about the products. You can connect with other commercial cleaning business owners, not just commercial cleaners, but window cleaners, floor care professionals, carpet care professionals. So it's really great to find resources that maybe aren't offering services that you offer. You can connect with them, learn from them. All in all, just great for networking. So something that you really want to see and test for yourself when you come to ISSA is definitely the tech and the auto scrubbers. These are big purchases, so you want to make sure that you're getting a machine that's right for you and right for the facilities that you are cleaning. So here's another really good example of some tech. We have another auto scrubber option here that's very compact, so really great for smaller areas. And this is just another example of where the cleaning industry is going, right? Accommodating, all of the different types of spaces we clean, not just larger. Another great thing about ISSA is that you're going to get a lot of free stuff, including coffee. Alright, so we've come across our first seminar. ISSA is great because you can join educational presentations. Right now someone is speaking from the EPA on cleaning standards and where those can be found and what is new this year. So here we have a really cool auto scrubber. It's a hybrid, so it's a stand-on and then it's also automated, so you can program it to clean a space on its own. It's fully self-driving. That's pretty cool. So this is the Business Solutions Theater. This is day 3 of ISSA, but it's day 1 for us. We just got in. Matt will be presenting here on Thursday, so 2 days from now. We're really excited, and fingers crossed we have a crowd. I think we're going to have some people show up for us, so really excited about that. So that's what you can expect if you come to ISSA. A lot of networking, really awesome vendor booths, giveaways, and lots of fun. We'll have a full walking tour available soon. If you want to check that out, go ahead and visit the description for the link. We'll see you next time.